it is new EUC day. We got the all-new King Song F22 Pro, the latest and greatest by King Song. This is a wheel from the future. Let's bust this baby open, guys. We'll unbox it today, go over its specs, and if we have time, I'm going to do a little ride review and give you my first impressions. So it's actually packaged very nicely, as you can see. Like the strapping, and then as well protected by this plastic film. And nice packaging design, which I always appreciate, not just brown cardboard. So it looks really nice with some information. Alrighty, let's do this. All right, got the plastic removed. Whew. Take this out of the way. All right, put these scissors down. What do we got here? Okay, so as you can see from the packaging from the box, we got the F22 Pro, a wheel from the future. Shows you the picture of the wheel. Really cool design. Kind of a punk cyber look with its all black and with some metal. I like it. Looks good. Looks good. Let's see how it actually looks. Let's see this box. It looks like it actually opens from top up. So I'm gonna drop this down. First thing I can see is the electric unicycle user manual. So I'm sure that I'm gonna have a lot of good and useful information in here. Just take a quick peek myself right now. So we've got product diagram showing you what every part is, as well as all the specifications are right here for you. This is the KS F22, KS standing for King Song F22 Pro. Rated power 5,500 watts. That's a lot of power. Peak power 12,000 watts with a max speed, idling speed of 130 kilometers plus an hour. That's insane. That probably means free spin. I think the actual top speed with load is about 90 kilometers likely, which is still insane, insanely fast. It says the full speed is only unlocked after 10 kilometers. So that's actually pretty common. I think King Song started that as well. Gradability around 45 degrees, so it can go up hills at 45 degrees angles, which is also insane. And top charging voltage of 176.4 volts with a battery capacity of 3108 watt hours. 4 whopping ranges of up to 180 kilometers. Of course, 180 kilometers, that would be basically on a flat road, probably a 60 kilogram rider, so not too heavy rider, and probably at a very constant speed of 20 kilometers per hour with no stops and goes, you know, so that will probably be reduced easily in half or a little bit more in the real world, as we all know. Suspension, multifunctional suspension with adjustable rebound compression, resistance, adjustable spring load. The frame suspension travel is 100 millimeters, so it's pretty big. I've seen bigger, of course, like the Apex does 150 millimeters, I think, the top, but 100 millimeters is nice for sure. Headlight is 5 watts times 4, so combined 20 watts. Of course, other wheels like the InMotion or the Apex, they have 1, but that's 20 watts. So same thing, but this is four different lights that make up obviously 20 watts as well. Large pedal sizes, tire size is 2.75 by 14. It provides 2 charging ports that can be plugged into 2 chargers for quick charging. So if you have 2 chargers, you buy a second charger, you can actually charge this wheel from dead to full in 1 to 2 hours, which is great. Has a RGB light system. The rear fantasy lights on the car, it says integrated with the body design, the music spectrum jumps. Music spectrum, so it means, yes, this wheel does have a speaker, Bluetooth, I believe, so you can play music and the RGB lights moves to the sound of music, maybe similar to the InMotion V9, which I find is an awesome feature. I love listening to music, especially while riding. Gets you, pumped up in a nice mood. Depends what mood you want to be in, right? So that's really cool. There's other instructions now, how to turn it on, pair your device, enable lost mode. Lost mode is cool. So with this wheel, you can actually track your wheel. So once you connect it, you can always have a GPS location on it. That works differently than an AirTag, where an AirTag will essentially, if somebody steals it, let's say, it'll notify the thief that they're being followed, they're being tracked by the AirTag is with them. This one will not. So, a little bit more stealthier, and it gives you assurance to know that you will know where your wheel is at all times. So that's a awesome bonus feature too. Find items location, notifications when left behind. That's similar with AirTags as well, and enabling notify when found. Okay, next we have how to learn to ride. You already know how to ride, what gear to wear. Also shows here how to pump suspension, so it pumps from the bottom, and shows the charging ports, all that good stuff. All right, that's the manual. Now we got looks like we got some power pads, so that's nice that they do include some power pads. Probably, for you really experienced riders, you probably want to use your own, upgrade them, but it's good that it comes with some at least. We'll throw these on. We're going to try these on today. And looks like the power cable that goes with the charger that's tucked in nicely right here. Ooh, it's a big box, pretty heavy. Should be actually, it's going to be a 10 amp charger, right? Let's take a look at this charger. Holy smokes. It's a nice charger, nice stealth black. So yeah, we have an output of 176.4, 10 amp. That is a massive charger. We're talking about like a Sur-on charger here for this EUC. All right. All right, this looks like they also include a very nice seat. I mean, it's really nice actually. And it's already got the Velcro here as well. It's a very nice printed 3D design, I guess. So let's pull this out right now. She's a beauty, isn't she? Look at that. So we got the Raptor. Here we got the Velcro right on the top. So seat installation will take a total of 2 seconds. Done. It's good. And it looks like a long, comfortable seat. And that looks really sleek actually on the wheel. Let's take a look at the pedals. Pedals are cool. I like they have a nice design here, kind of like a saw. The two saws going down it, so that's gonna keep your foot secure, and as well as the pegs around. Big size pedals, really cool. She's a good looking wheel. It's got a nice handle in the front and rear. It's kind of hard to grab the rear handle actually, to be honest with you, maybe because of the seat, but it's okay. You can hold it under. You can't grip your hand around it quite as easy as I can in the front, but you can definitely hold it underneath. So it's actually pretty easy to lift, and not easy because it's heavy as. Yeah, so CST tires are common tires that are typically used by a lot of the Asian manufacturers. I'm gonna try to power her up. Woo. Takeoff, flight. Oh, there's a little logo that just popped up here. It says Find My. So that's like, I guess, Find My device. Is it powering on though? Oh, 3 times. So I have to tap 3 times to get it to open. Now, there's, I don't know if the camera can see here, but there's a logo on top that shows a lock. So I guess I gotta unlock the wheel, I suppose. So we'll do that. I'll use the kickstand for now. I'll turn the EUC around so the camera can see. Connect to the app. All right, so I'm into the app. We're gonna go to connect devices. So instantaneously it found the King Song F22 Pro 3907, which I guess is probably its VIN number. I'm gonna guess 3907. I don't see that here, but must be somewhere to give that number. I'm just taking a quick peek. I'll take a look after, I guess. Okay, connect. Okay, so I'm connected now to the app. Very nice. You see we have an 85% charge, and the current voltage, very high, 170.9 volts. It's like more voltage than a hydro. It's crazy. Horn. Ooh, it's like a car horn. Okay, and here's the unlock button. So let's unlock this beast. Unlock. Unlock. Yeah, she's unlocked, baby. All right. Night light. That's night light. Ooh, we got the lights on. I could power it off from here too. Then there's actually newbie tasks. So very awesome app. So I got here understanding the vehicle, instructions, driving instructions, real-time data, different lighting control. I guess here's RGB. So yeah, so you got the light effect settings. So let's just, I don't know, if I'm gonna lift this, it's gonna probably stand on this gyro. Ooh, it's very bright. Is it locked again? Yeah, it's locked again. Let's try to unlock it again. It's locked up on me. Unlock. Okay, unlock. The gyro just kicked in. Shows 85%. Exactly what the app said it is. I'm gonna take a seat. Okay, wants to move right away. All right, hold on. Hey, easy, easy there, boy. Easy there. Hold on. Where's lighting control? Let's play with this a little bit. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna connect to King Song Music. Woo. Okay, she connected. I'm gonna see how these speakers sound. All right, I'm done playing. That was fun. We'll add the pads on, and let's go for a ride and give you the real first impressions, how it feels on the road. Hot day here in Toronto, and just doing a light ride. Gonna be doing this is first impressions, unboxing and first impressions, so nothing crazy today. But the wheel, it feels nice. It's definitely a little bit different than what I'm used to. It's a different wheel for sure. It's big. It's a thick wheel. Like my legs are spread further apart than usual. So this is like the SUV, you know, of wheels for sure. The big one. This is like a Range Rover full size, baby. Let's do a suspension test. Woo! So smooth. Actually, the control is very nice on the stairs. So this wheel feels really nice, very smooth, and has a lot of power, a lot of torque. I mean, it's 5,500 watt, peak output of 12,000 watts. So this is really some serious power, and you can feel it. That's for sure. And one of the highest voltages, probably the highest voltage I've ever tried, 176 volts. That's a lot of power right there. It's very comfortable too. I like the way it rides. Just like I said before, it's a large wheel, it's a big wheel, it's thick, and you just feel like you know, I compared this wheel to like a full-size Range Rover is what I kind of compare it to. But I just literally unboxed it. I'm still on the learning phase of this wheel until I hit 10 kilometers. It's just unboxed, so it's a baby. It's like, I don't know how many kilometers we have here, maybe like 4 max, but once until you hit 10, it doesn't even unlock to its full speed. I'm not even sure. I know I've hit like maybe like 35 kilometers an hour. It probably does 40. I'm not even sure what it does. I'm doing a light, easy ride, just getting myself familiarized with it. But like I said, it feels really good. Handles stairs incredibly well and comfortably with still some control. I also want to give a shout out to the seat. This is by far, I'm going to give it to them, the most comfortable seat on an EUC that I've ever sat on. It's big, it's comfortable, and overall it's just the way it's designed. I've never, you know, again, never sat on an EUC seat more comfortable than this. That's definitely king of that. Just fresh in, just got them in today, and I couldn't wait. I unboxed it right away to shoot this video, but more importantly, I just wanted to ride it, and I'm liking it. I'm feeling like you know, like a 12-year-old boy on Christmas coming down here. So that's not gonna every day, by the way. When I get new products in, I love my job. It's the best. So yeah. We're gonna do more ride videos today. Again, like I said, it's just an intro video to the King Song F22 Pro. This is my first impressions. I'm not doing high-speed tests today, but we will do it. And we'll catch you, and we'll see you on the next episode. La da 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 da.